There is an extra function of this vacuum pumping set. In this video, we will show you how to use it. Here, there are two items we can see, the target vacuum and the off timer. The two combination can be used together. For example, we named this one is A and this is B. Set A and set the B. We can see the target vacuum, now we set it to be 50 par. Normally, we suggest the transformer need to be vacuumed to be 50 par. So we set it to be 50. Under this situation, we can set a time for the machine to run based on the 50 par. For example, we set it to be 12 hours or 20 hours, 24 hours. Okay, under this situation, that means the machine will stop automatically after two conditions. Condition 1 is the transformer reached 50 par as the setting here, and condition 2 is the machine will work for another 24 hours as we set here. Then, after all that procedures, the machine can be shut down automatically by itself. So if you need to use this function, you can make such setting. It's okay. For example, like this, then the machine will work to make the transformer to reach 50 par first, and then after that, the machine will still running for 24 hours. Then it will stop automatically. Okay. But if you don't want to use it, just remove the data. It's okay. Okay. If you remove cleaning the time setting, then the function is not available. Or if you change this one above 50, for example, 55, then this function is also not available. For example, 55 par, then 24. This is not in use. This is not available. This function is not available. Only the two conditions are both setting. Then this function is activated. Okay? Only the two items are both setting as we required. Like this, then this function can be available to users. Please pay attention to this and to set accordingly to your own requirements, your own needs for the transformers, okay? Okay.